Hello friends, we are going to continue with the compounds of nitrogen. First compound ammonia, the preparation. Laboratory method. Ammonia is obtained from ammonium salts which decomposes when treated with caustic soda or lime. That is ammonium chloride on reaction with calcium hydroxide gives ammonia. Manufacturing method on a large scale. Ammonia is manufactured by Haber's process. Manufacturing method. In accordance with Le Chatelier's principle, high pressure would favor the formation of ammonia. The optimum conditions for the production of ammonia are a pressure of 200 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal, that is 200 atmospheric pressure, which is a high pressure. The use of catalysts such as iron oxide with small amount of K2O and Al2O3 to increase the rate of attainment of equilibrium. K2O and Al2O3 are also called as promoters. Nitrogen and hydrogen used in the proportion of 1:3. Manufacture of ammonia, a flow chart of preparation of liquid ammonia by using hydrogen and nitrogen at a very high pressure and high temperature, and Al2O3 and K2O are used as promoters. By the hydrolysis of calcium cyanamide, calcium carbide on reaction with nitrogen gives calcium cyanamide, which on hydrolysis gives calcium carbonate and ammonia. Properties of ammonia. Ammonia is a colorless gas with a pungent odor. Its freezing and boiling points are 198.4 and 239.7 Kelvin respectively. In the solid and liquid states, it is associated through hydrogen bonds, as in the case of water, and that accounts for its higher melting and boiling points than expected on the basis of its molecular mass. It means that when there is a hydrogen bonding, there is increment in boiling point. Now properties. The ammonia molecule is trigonal pyramidal with nitrogen atom at the apex. It has 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair of electrons. Ammonia gas is highly soluble in water. Its aqueous solution is weakly basic due to the formation of hydroxide ions. With Nestler's reagent, ammonia and ammonium salts gives brown precipitate due to the formation of Millian space, which with reaction with ammonia gives deep blue coloration. Uses. Ammonia is used to produce various nitrogenous fertilizers like ammonium nitrate, urea, ammonium phosphate, ammonium sulfate. It is used to manufacture of some inorganic nitrogen compounds, the most important one being nitric acid. Liquid ammonia is also used as refrigerant. Structure of ammonia. Ammonia molecule is trigonal pyramidal with the nitrogen at the apex. The nitrogen atom in ammonia is sp3 hybridized containing lone pair of electrons, due to which the bond angle becomes 107.5 degree between H and H. It has 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair of electrons. This is how the ammonia actual looks like, in which 1 lone pair of electron is present and 3 bond pair of electron present, because 3 NH bonds are present. And due to lone pair bond pair repulsion, we know that lone pair bond pair repulsion are greater than bond pair repulsion, and therefore there is decrement in bond angle. Nitric acid preparation. Laboratory method. NaNO3 on H2SO4 gives ammonium hydrogen sulfate and HNO3. On large scale, it is prepared by Ostwald's process. Oxidation of ammonia. This is the first step. Oxidation of ammonia to nitric oxide. Thus, nitric oxide form on oxidation which gives NO2, which on hydrolysis gives HNO3. Properties. It is colorless liquid. Laboratory grade nitric acid contains about 68% of HNO3 by mass and has a specific gravity 1.504. In aqueous solution, nitric acid behaves as a strong acid giving hydronium nitrate ions. In the gaseous state, HNO3 exists as a planar molecule with the structure as shown. This is the structure of HNO3 with bond angle and bond lengths. Now chemical properties. With non-metal with carbon, nitric acid gives carbon dioxide and NO2 with the loss of water. Action on gold and platinum. Gold and platinum do not react with hot and concentrated HNO3. They dissolve in aqua regia, that is a mixture of 3 parts of concentrated HCl and 1 part of concentrated HNO3. This is how aerochloric acid is formed from gold. Action on organic compounds. With benzene, it gives nitration, that is nitrobenzene. It is also used as oxidizing agent to give oxalic acid on cane sugar. There is one test, it is called as brown ring test. They iron Fe2 plus to reduce nitrates to nitric oxide, which reacts with Fe2 plus to form a brown colored complex, which is also called as brown ring test. And this complex is very important for the particular examinations like NET, SET. This is the brown ring test, in which the complex has a charge of +2. Uses. The major use of nitric acid is in the manufacture of ammonium nitrate for fertilizers and other nitrates for use in explosives and pyrotechnics. It is also used for the preparation of nitroglycerin, trinitrotoluene and other organic nitro compounds. Other major uses are in the pickling of stainless steel, etching of the metals and an oxidizer in the rocket fuels. It is used in manufacture of cellulose varnishes, in manufacture of sulfuric acid, in lead chamber process. Oxides of nitrogen. This is the chart of all the oxides of nitrogen, that is dinitrogen oxide, N2O, nitrogen monoxide, NO, dinitrogen trioxide, N2O3, nitrogen dioxide, NO2, dinitrogen tetroxide, N2O4 and dinitrogen pentoxide, N2O5, and their respective oxidation states and common methods of preparation and physical appearance and chemical nature are given. All these things are given in this table, that is oxides of nitrogen. Lewis dot main resonance structures and bond parameters of oxides are given in below. This is the Lewis dot structures of all the compounds of oxides of nitrogen, that is N2O, NO, N2O3, NO2, N2O4 and N2O5. Nitrogen oxide is in 6 stable forms. These are the 6 stable forms, that is oxide forms. Their space filling models: Lewis structure, oxidation state of nitrogen, delta H formation, and their properties.